This episode of Adventure Tech is brought to you by LiTime. We got another brand new battery from LiTime, and this one just doubled the power of my system and allowed me to use less wires and breakers than my old system had. And all I had to do was upgrade to a 24-volt solar inverter charger. In my last video, I showed you all the steps on how I installed that 24-volt solar inverter charger from LiTime, and plus some pro tips that will help make it a breeze for you. So make sure to check that out if you are interested in doubling your power on your system. If you're in a hurry and just trying to take advantage of the deals happening right now, just use the code AdventureTech if you want to get an extra discount on top of the current deals. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over there and check all that out, and it helps support our channel at the same time, which we appreciate so much. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today, I am unboxing, installing, and integrating the LiTime 24-volt 100Ah Smart ComFlex Edition battery with the Victron eChrono GX power monitoring system. The Victron eChrono GX is now the leading and newest power monitoring system available from Victron. This battery has built-in Victron communication protocols, and it's complete plug-and-play, not needing any additional devices such as smart shunts. So first thing, you want to be sure to get the correct connections to the eChrono GX. On the LiTime 24-volt 100Ah ComFlex Edition battery, you're going to find the CAN P and CAN I port, where you can connect this with the provided wire to the eChrono GX rear port. Choose one of the VE ports. Also make sure to connect the terminal plug. After getting the eChrono and battery hooked together and both also connected to my system bus bars with a fuse and a breaker, I can finish up the last step in the process of integrating the LiTime 24-volt ComFlex battery to the Victron eChrono GX. So first, go right to the battery settings, scroll all the way down until you find services and click on that. From here, you're going to want to click the VE port group that you connected your battery to. Then you need to click on and change the CAN bus profile. Super easy to do. In this menu, you need to choose CAN bus BMS LV 500 kilobits per second. Then simply exit out to the main screen and you should see real-time battery information now. This bus CAN profile will work with most non-Victron batteries. And the great thing about integrating the Victron eChrono GX with the LiTime 24-volt 100Ah ComFlex battery is that it provides 25 plus data points for precise battery monitoring. These data points from the ComFlex batteries synchronizing with the eChrono GX offers very precise details such as cell voltage, while shunts basically only provide 5 or so data points to work with. You get this all in one place, and as you learn more about your system, you're going to want these fine details to help troubleshoot and run your system efficiently. It especially helps you visualize your system in more depth and clarity. And in a nutshell, it basically helps me save money, which is always a good thing. And in addition to the data-driven insight through communication, the LiTime 24-volt ComFlex Edition battery and the eChrono GX from Victron work together to provide a double layer of battery lifetime health. The dual protection of the LiTime battery BMS and the Victron eChrono GX intelligent charging optimization can control your inverter's charging current based on real-time battery information. This is going to optimize charging to extend battery life very easily, customizable, which is worth mentioning. 10 plus years of use with a battery like this, even if you charge it and discharge this battery every single day. And now using the eChrono GX, it's going to help extend that lifetime. So my battery is covered by multi-layer protection, which will allow me to put this battery through some testing. But before I do that with this battery, I do need to set up the solar charger parameters in the solar inverter charger using the manuals from the battery and the solar inverter charger. You gotta match the codes in the inverter manual with the parameters from the battery manual, and I can set everything up correctly, which is very important for battery health. You cannot skip this step. I'm going to go ahead and connect the battery to the LiTime app and test that out for accuracy in this video as well. I can easily connect the battery to the app very quickly. I didn't need to sign up for anything or sign in. Got a nice mode where you can use it offline just using your Bluetooth. So the LiTime app is very nice, innovative, easy to use. It actually refreshes the info actively, which constantly gives you real-time specs on your system. And as you can see, it's very accurate. You don't need to keep refreshing the screen or anything like that. And I'm also using this clamp meter, which will tell me how much current is flowing through a wire without even touching the bare wire. It's safe to use and very easy to use. This will be a third frame of reference to check accuracy on the Ekrano GX and this battery app. So now I'm going to be using an electric heater and also a heat gun to pull the correct amount of power that this battery can handle and max it out roughly around 2500 watts depending on how much power is in the battery at the time. Basically, we're going for 100 amps here, and it can even go up higher than that for short bursts of time. As you can see, the LiTime 24V 100Ah battery has no problem pushing 100 amps continuously. Offers your system a really nice power upgrade if you're going from 12 volt. Use all your same conductors and breakers, which is really nice. If you want to learn how to install the solar inverter charger, check out our last video to see all the steps involved. It is so easy. And on top of that, I use less parts than the 12 volt system did. I gotta say, the Victron does look nice. Nice big screen. It has different viewing modes for light or dark themes. It's very quick and constantly updating in real time, just like the LiTime app, just like the clamp meter. You can connect a lot of devices to the Victron Ekrano GX at once and monitor everything all together without needing your phone or any app, which for some is super nice. Think about that. You'll never have to log into one of them apps again. And I'm a nerd, so having all the extra information and being able to really monitor and customize my system in more depth is super important to me. So the LiTime 24V 100Ah ComFlex Edition battery is pretty impressive. It's got some nice added features, a little bit more expensive than others, but you can integrate this into your Victron systems and it's not a Victron product. Pretty cool. So I definitely like having this set up with my solar inverter charger and my battery. And if you like a lot of control with your system, you're gonna like this too. When picking up this battery, anything else from LiTime, use a promo code AdventureTech to get an extra discount plus help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. Use the links in the comments or description if you want to go check this out. Subscribe for free by clicking that subscribe button and make sure to click that bell icon, and you can stay updated on all the newest tech and exclusive discounts.